I bought this Gerber Armbar Slim Drive. I hate it so much. So I've pulled the blade out, and then this little liner lock, can you tell? It is not moving. I'm afraid of hurting myself if I force this too hard. I cannot close it. Kind of want to do something to spare my fingers in case of it collapsing all of a sudden. There it goes. Locked back in place. There it goes. Oh my God. Did you hear that clunk? What an absolute and utter piece of poop. I hate this thing so hard. I cannot even believe what they normally charge for this. I got it for under 20 bucks on Black Friday. The fact that this doesn't lock in place, I hate. The fact that this is magnetic, I don't hate that. That it's slim, I don't hate that. I've oiled this. It's still gravelly as heck to get this blade out. Oh my God, this one also. Oh my God. That actually makes me pissed. Do not buy these. I bought it just out of curiosity. Spare yourself. Absolute garbage. Just for illustrative purposes, this slim armbar by Gerber is something like $38 retail. I paid under $20 on Black Friday, and it's not even remotely worth that. Whereas this Mossy Oak 12-in-1, which is kind of like one wing off of a Leatherman, I got for something like $12, $13. Right now, you can take a look. It's also on sale for under 20 bucks. I'm not saying this is a great tool. It's not great. It's very average, but I got some knife lube on my thumb there. Look. Deet, 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 deet. What a magical concept. It's not going I'm like, ah. Just Gerber, get your act together. There's the little liner. Unlock, press it in. Still not enough. And there we go. That's, oh my God. There it goes. What? And this is like when they say how a dull knife makes you so much more prone to injury because you're muscling with it in a way that you shouldn't. That's this. This is an injury waiting to happen. Did I mention how much I hate this? Gerber, you should be ashamed of yourselves. F-. All right, thanks, guys.